Okay. They're telling me we're supposed to get like 6 to 12 actually. Actually, within South Bend, we're supposed to get like 4 to 8. But the purple's actually touching our town. So I'll say I was right here. Right here. 4 to 8, 6 to 12. So I will say it's gonna be like between 5 to 9 inches. It's gonna be like between 5 to 8 inches. Wait. Yeah, 5 to 8. They're talking about 5 to 8 right here. And they're talking about 6 to 12 feet right here. 6 to 12 inches of snow right here. 4 to 8 is dark blue. Then 2 to 5, 1 to 3, and 2 or less. They're talking about a snowstorm. So the town I live, we're supposed to get like between 6 to 9 inches of snow. Now I don't know if that is enough snow to cancel school. Well, maybe. Some of it right here might get canceled because of the roads. Some lightly. School will be canceled lightly in the blue part and the crest purple. The only way the school can get us, the only way the school will be canceled is a blizzard, heavy ice storm, or lots of wicked wet snow. So we're under a warning right now. 100% sweet. And we're supposed to get light, you hate snow. Alright. See you all in the morning before I go to school. Good day. So, more videos in the morning before I go to school. Or maybe it might canceled. Goodbye. Okay. It's pretty much chilly outside right now. You see that? Now, how much snow we got? It melts the snow, most of it. Okay. We got like 4 inches of snow. Yep, 4 inches. It was 7 inches of snow. 7. Roads are clear right now. Right now the roads are clear right now. It was ice. The roads was ice. There was 2 car accidents near my house this morning. But they're telling me on the grass, telling me we got like between, I got an idea, brilliant idea. It's pretty much 4 inches, yep. Nothing's going on right now, it's clear and cold. Temperature is, hold on, it's exactly 20 degrees right. Guess what? Grab a hand. Ice. Cold. You like this? Now that's how cold that is, man. Oh, it's cold. Oh, snow outside right now, not too much. Okay, so that store in Mayland, West of Maryland is like okay. Alright, west of Virginia is in trouble. Winter storm warning have issued. And they can put holy crap over. Winter storm warning contains about 5 inches per hour. This is earlier this morning. This is what I said, we got no snow today. South Bend over here. Tonight, chance of flurries is 20%. We're not gonna get any shit of it. It's gonna be mostly cloudy, so we might melt the snow a little bit. All the snow probably gonna be gone that day. Then Wednesday night to Thursday night, Friday, it's gonna be a snow time. Here's a good chance, Thursday night. Thursday night, it's gonna happen before 1 a.m. I'll be awake in that time. Check over here. Today, tonight. No snow. Thursday night. Definitely it's gonna happen. Okay, so that's all for this episode. The 4th episode of season 2. So catch up more updates on Thursday. Goodbye.